Hi, how are we doing today? I'm Officer
Good.
Brandon, Springfield Township Police Department.
Okay, stop it, Josh. How are you?
So the reason I stopped you is you are suspended with a warrant for your arrest.
I am?
So, do me a favor, turn off the car, put the keys up on the dash, detain you for that warrant, and because you are suspended actively. Oh. Hey.
What?
Come here.
Hello?
The Racoon has her meth pipe. With a meth pipe right now. No, don't reach for it. That's evidence now.
Oh, I don't want him to have that.
That's why I'm going to do it. Hey, buddy.
Huh?
It's okay.
Okay, you're on Island. He'll be here in 2 minutes. I'm right across from my house.
Is that what that
A
is?
few minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what she's smoking meth in.
Okay.
The Racoon's playing with her meth pipe.
All right.
Oh, there's no way. He's trying to smoke it.
All right.
Just giving them that little drug high, and they're just like, pass it, pass it.
Oh, there's no. He's trying to smoke it.
All right. Thanks.
There's no way. All right, enough fun and games.